Hi! So today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies, which my mom taught me how to make these, and her mom taught her how to make those. First thing you want to do is cream together 2 eggs, a cup of sugar, and a cup of brown sugar. So we're just going to crack that. My mom used to always make these cookies when it rained because in California it's hot. So it was sort of like a little special thing whenever it would rain. I would be like, oh my gosh, yay, like at school. And I'd come home and it would be a batch of these cookies. They're really good. I love them.
I remember the first time I tried making these cookies by myself. She sent me the recipe, and you're supposed to put 0.5 teaspoon of salt in. Just a little bit of saltiness to go with the sweet, which I think it really makes a difference. But and I misread that. I did not see the point in front of the 5, and I put in 5 teaspoons of salt into these cookies, and I baked them without really trying them too much, and brought them to school the next day and gave them to my friends, and I just remember their faces crinkling up, trying to be polite, but one of them was kind of winced, and he was like, don't you think, is this supposed to be a little salty? It's a little salty. So yeah, definitely not a mistake you would ever catch my mother making, but hopefully, this batch we won't have anything like that happen, so.
Finishing up. So then you're gonna want to get out your baking sheet and you roll the balls into about 1 inch. So after you let it cool for 4 to 5 minutes, you can go ahead and eat up. As you can see, I've already done. Get a little cup of milk if you want and enjoy with your family. This is a bit of giggles. Just gotta get the giggles out.
I'll just cut these bits out.
Okay, yeah.